Sifla Khan. It is very beautiful weather here. You can see at my back. Wind is blowing. Very beautiful. What a beautiful weather here in Pakistan. Amazing. Winter is beautiful weather. Very beautiful. I just love this. Beautiful. The trees, the gardens, everything is looking very beautiful. Amazing. Actually, the beautiful rhythmic song of the trees is amazing. Look at the weather. Everything is amazing. The water is amazing. The trees, the birds. It's phenomenal, just to say. Look at this tree. Amazing. Look at this. Amazing. Wonderful beauty. So it is natural creation. Love you 2020. It is amazing. So it is a message of love from the nature. What we have seen. So it is a positivity from the nature towards the humans. So love nature, love these birds, love the sky. It's amazing. Enjoy. Keep smiling, keep loving, keep evaluating yourself to do positive things for the humanity. So be happy, be loved, and from me, Pakistan Zindabad. Love you all.